This 2022 Keystone Outback 301 UBH Ultralight is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Keystone is 34 feet 9 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a Camden interior, sleeps 8, microwave, smoke detector, skylight, oven, TV antenna, spare tire kit, external shower, air conditioning, water heater, slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Outback 301 UBH Ultralight is 7,320 pounds. This 2022 Keystone Outback 301 UBH Ultralight. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.